Tonight on Documentify TV, Michigan's Upper Peninsula, a region defined by thick forests and cold, challenging winters. For centuries, the history of this land suggested its early inhabitants were primarily hunter-gatherers with limited farming. But a groundbreaking discovery, hidden beneath the trees for 1,000 years, reveals a truth far more complex. Using cutting-edge technology, archaeologists have uncovered a massive ancient agricultural system dating back 1,000 years, built and maintained by the ancestors of the Menominee tribe of Wisconsin. At a site known as 60 Islands, part of the Menominee's sacred Omot landscape, they found extensive networks of raised garden beds standing 4 to 12 inches high. These weren't just small gardens. They were meticulously constructed ridges stretching across the terrain in visible quilt-like patterns. In these fields, despite a climate considered marginal for farming, the ancient Menominee people cultivated staple crops: corn, beans, and squash. They were farming at the very edge of where corn can grow. The scale of this discovery astounded experts. Initial surveys covered approximately 330 acres, but researchers estimate this is only about 40% of the total site, suggesting a system potentially much larger and 10 times larger than what was previously estimated for the region. Pre-colonial agricultural ridges covered a total of at least 3/4 of a square mile. Excavations revealed the sophistication of this agriculture. Starting around the year 1000, these fields were actively rebuilt and maintained for 600 years. The farmers even modified the soil, adding household waste, ashes, and wetland earth to fertilize their crops. This required massive amounts of labor and was described as a massive undertaking that required a lot of organization and know-how. This level of agricultural investment is usually associated with large, state-level societies, but previous evidence in this region pointed to smaller, more egalitarian communities. This discovery forces us to reconsider the social organization of these ancestral peoples. Most ancient field systems in North America were destroyed by modern farming and development, but the 60 Islands site offers a rare window of preservation into pre-colonial farming in this region. This find, made possible through collaboration with the Menominee tribe, challenges the stereotype of Native Americans in this region being solely hunter-gatherers. It underscores the unexpected range, productivity, and sustainability of intensive indigenous agriculture across North America. And it raises a profound question. If such vast fields existed here, how many more hidden agricultural landscapes lie undiscovered beneath the forests of the eastern US? That's it for today's video, folks. See you next time, right here on Documentify TV.